Hey guys, today I'll be making chicken liver. So we start off by soaking our chicken liver in milk for 2 hours. Put your soaked chicken livers in the fridge. Next, we prepare our vegetables as shown in the video. So here we have our chopped garlic, onions, capsicum, tomatoes, and spring onions. So next, heat cooking oil in a frying pan and fry your liver on both sides. Next, add chopped onion and garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Next, add tomatoes, capsicum, and spring onions. This dish is ready. You can choose to serve it with whatever you like, for example, rice or bread. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.